Just about 2 hours ago, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted about Tesla Model S Plaid's new record. This is what Elon Musk said. Tesla Model S Plaid just set official world speed record for a production electric car at Nürburgring, completely unmodified, directly from factory. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. So Tesla CEO Elon Musk just about 2 hours ago confirmed that the Model S Plaid set the production vehicle record at the Nürburgring in Germany with a time of 7:39:09, okay, at 166.32 kilometers per hour. That's 103.35 miles per hour. Musk tweeted a picture of the receipt from the Nürburgring confirming the Model S Plaid broke the track record. The CEO of Tesla also stated that the car was unmodified and came directly from the Fremont factory. He literally said this in a tweet. Tesla Model S Plaid just set official world speed record for a production electric car at Nürburgring, completely unmodified, directly from factory, meaning directly from the Fremont factory. Now, before I go any further, please, can anybody tell me what is good about this? You can't use that speed on US roads. I'm just trying to understand, honestly, I'm trying to understand what is the benefit of this. Are we encouraging fast driving? Are we being obsessed by fast driving? Or is there any utility benefit? I know that you are in Germany, you can drive as fast as you can on Autobahn. Apparently there is no speed limit. But what about in other countries? Is there reliability confirmation in this speed, or is just the power? So what is the reason everybody is obsessed with speed? I didn't want to report this story because I personally am not obsessed in speed. I don't want to be part of any dangerous situations of speed, but I'm reporting this. As you can see, the central part of my report is asking why is this so important. But let me go on with the details while I look forward to reading your comments about the importance of these races for benefit of humanity. So the Plaid Model S has been in development for several years, first making its way to the Nürburgring in late 2019. Tesla started delivering the Model S Plaid to customers in June. Joey Klender reports from Tesla Radi saying Musk stated the Model S will next be modified with aerodynamic upgrades, carbon brakes, and truck tires. All things that will improve the Plaid's performance and perhaps help Tesla break its own record at the German truck, commonly known as the Green. Tesla has always focused on increasing its vehicle's performance, and the Plaid is essentially the top of the peak. According to truck-ready upgrades that will contribute to the performance of the already lightning-fast vehicle will only improve the car's super impressive specs. Tesla Model S Plaid is currently available on Tesla.com for $129,990 before incentives. Deliveries for new orders could take place in January or February, according to the automaker's own projections. Now, while I'm going to look forward to hearing your comments on why is this important and what benefits it really brings, except just obsession of speed and pride and things like that, which I don't like as a Christian man, but I'm going to let you know something very important. So Reuters is reporting that last night Tesla CEO Elon Musk told employees in an internal email to brace for the biggest wave in Tesla history, and it was last night as the automaker prepares for 2021 third quarter to come to a close. So what happened? Historically, Tesla has put an extended emphasis on the end of a quarter to bump production and delivery figures before the publishing of its quarterly figures, reports Joey Klender from TeslaRadi.com. Tesla has offered incentives like free supercharging for customers to assist with end of quarter sales. But now Elon Musk is calling on Tesla workers to go super hardcore for over the next several weeks that could ensure the company's largest Q3 in company history. Here's a quote that Reuters brings from that email. The end of quarter delivery wave is unusually high this time, as we suffered, like the whole industry, from extremely severe part shortages earlier this quarter, Elon Musk said in the email. Reuters initially reported the story, friends. Elon Musk stated that the coming quarter close is the biggest wave in Tesla history, but we got to get it done. The closing of this quarter could establish plenty of momentum for Tesla as it heads into the final 3-month span of the year, which has been anything but smooth sailing. Tesla, like every other car company in the world, has struggled with parts shortages. Musk stated in the email that the beginning of Q3 was extremely difficult, and Tesla even built a lot of cars with missing parts that needed to be added later. Of course, these vehicles were not delivered until Tesla could install the parts. Tesla delivered 201,250 vehicles and produced 206,421 cars, electric cars, in Q2 of 2021. It was the first time the automaker managed to break through and deliver more than 200,000 vehicles in a quarter. However, Tesla has been dealing with unexpected delays with some models, and other cars in its lineup are sold out until the beginning of 2022. Additionally, Tesla has pushed back the production of the Cybertruck until late 2022 and the Tesla Roadster until 2023, Elon Musk announced in August, if you were following Tesla news closely. So the demand for Tesla's vehicles has continued to skyrocket. The company is currently building out 2 new manufacturing facilities that are set to begin production before the end of the year. One is in Austin, Texas, and the other near Berlin, Germany. Tesla will start producing at both of these facilities with the Model Y, the automaker's most popular vehicle. So we'll see how things go, friends. I'm looking forward to Tesla reporting a good quarter. I'm looking at some comments under Tesla Radis coverage of this topic. People say they hope that Tesla will produce about 250,000 vehicles in Q3 of 2021, and with the strong August figure and August figures of Shanghai coming from Giga Shanghai, that should not be impossible. Other people say this is a very bold estimation, and they hope that people who think this way are right, and others are saying that this will be the final quarterly big push because the pressure valve will be released going forward from Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Austin, given that the reinforcement brigades are on the horizon. The corporate technology and line workers are being told to make that last strong push to hold the line. Well, friends, let me know what you think about all these developments at Tesla and the record of Model S Plaid and the importance and benefit of that you can explain me in the comment section below, please. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla electric vehicle news coverage and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and please give us thumbs up and tweet it out, share in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. Peace be with all of you, friends. Let's be kind to each other, do good, and God bless you all, and see you soon.